Welcome to Powerops Desktop. Have you ever updated a measure in Power BI only to find out later that it broke other calculations or visuals? What if you could predict these issues before making the change? In this video, I'll show you how the dependency feature in Powerops Desktop helps you analyze relationships between report components and avoid breaking your reports. Let's dive in. The dependency feature in Powerops gives you a clear roadmap of how different components in your Power BI report are connected. It helps you identify relationships between measures, columns, and visuals. Assess the impact of any changes before making them. Troubleshoot and optimize your report for better performance. It has two views, table view for detailed analysis and also a diagram view for a visual representation of dependencies. Now let's see this action with a real-world scenario. Imagine you have a HR report tracking employee data. One of the key measures in this report is total employees. Now, your HR team wants to track only active employees, so you need to update this measure to count only the active employees. Before making this change, let's check whether the total employees is used in the report. Let's fire up the Powerops desktop and search for total employees in dependency section. Look at this. The table view shows that this measure is used in multiple report pages. The diagram view reveals that the employee retention rate and attrition rate both depend on total employees. If I change total employees to show only active employees without adjusting these measures, my retention and attrition calculations will be incorrect. So what's the best approach? Here's what I'll do. Instead of modifying total employees, I'll create a new measure for active employees. I'll review the retention rate and attrition rate measures to see if they need updating. After testing, I'll safely integrate the new measure into the report without breaking anything. And just like that, I saved myself from hours of troubleshooting. The dependency feature in Powerops Desktop is a game changer for Power BI users. Whether you're optimizing performance, troubleshooting, or planning updates, this tool helps you understand how everything is connected before making changes. Now it's your turn. Download Powerops Desktop today and try it with your own Power BI reports. See how dependencies are mapped, avoid expensive mistakes, and take control of your report management. Link to download is in the description below. Give it a try and let us know your thoughts in the comments.